Laurie Stephey.
What makes up the universe that surrounds us? Right now, scientists estimate that our universe is made up of over 70% dark energy. Well, what is dark energy? We call it dark because we don't know. That's over 2/3 of our universe that we don't understand, which last I checked for most classes is a failing grade. Fortunately, we as humans are not content to sit back and shrug our shoulders. This is why, right now, at this very moment, the DESI experiment, the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, is being designed and installed in the Mayall telescope, which is in the gas can, in Kitt Peak, Arizona. Next year, when the instrument comes online, the DESI instrument will take pictures of over 30 million galaxies and create the largest, most detailed map of the universe ever created. All of that data has to go somewhere, and it's going to come right here to NERSC. DESI will send their images to the world's 10th fastest supercomputer, which is pretty cool, to Corey, which you see is the engine, to be processed as fast as possible. The problem with software is that it almost never runs fast out of the box, and it requires a lot of tuning, just like a fancy sports car, to really extract good performance. To make things even more complicated, the DESI team write their software in Python, which is a fabulous programming language, but one that is harder to squeeze performance out of than more traditional languages. So, this is where I come in. You can think of me as basically a mechanic for the DESI code. I use engine diagnostics, or software profiling tools, to go through and find the engine clogs, or to find places in the software that are running slowly. Then, we use tricks to try to speed them up. One trick we have used is called just-in-time compiling, where we find a small piece of code that we know is slow, we compile it when we encounter it, and then when we hit it again, it's way faster. Another trick we use is to pre-compute and store important values, and then look them up later. If you're doing something 10,000 times, not having to recalculate it over and over again can really save you a lot. So, using tricks like these, we have sped up the DESI code by a factor of 2, which is pretty good, especially considering we're using Python, which is a new language for supercomputing. This means that the DESI scientists can have the results earlier in the day, maybe by breakfast instead of lunch or dinner, which gives them more time to plan their coming night of observing. It also means that they can spend more time helping us figure out the 2/3 of the universe that we call dark energy, so that we as humanity can all start passing our universe class. Thank you.